Today we will discuss the new classification of antiarrhythmic drugs. All of us are familiar with the Vaughan Williams classification, which was published in 1975. It had four groups. One is a class 1 consisting of sodium channel blockers, again subdivided into A, B and C. Class 2 consisting of beta blockers, class 3 of potassium channel blockers, and class 4 calcium channel blockers. The updated classification was published in 2018, the centenary year of birth anniversary of Vaughan Williams. It had several new classes as well as modification of old classes. Class 0 was the HCN channel blockers, including ivabradine. Class 1 A, B and C were left alone. A new class 1D, was introduced for the group including ranolazine, which are late sodium current blockers. Class 2 has been renamed as autonomic inhibitors and activators. Class 2A includes non-selective beta inhibitors like carvedilol, propranolol, and selective beta-1 inhibitors like metoprolol. Class 2B is non-selective beta activator with the prototype is isoproterenol. Class 2C includes muscarinic M2 inhibitors like atropine, hyoscine, and scopolamine. Class 2D is muscarinic M2 activator, which includes pilocarpine and digoxin. Class 2E includes adenosine 1 activators like adenosine and ATP. Class 3 has been renamed as voltage-dependent potassium channel openers and blockers. Class 3A includes non-selective potassium channel blocker amiodarone and dronedarone, as well as HERG blocker dofetilide, ibutylide, and sotalol. Other drugs in Class 3A are Vernaclan, which is an ultra-rapid potassium current blocker, and an investigational drug tetisamil, which blocks the transient outward current. Potassium ATP channel openers come under Class 3B, which includes nicorandil and pinacidil. Acetylcholine current blockers are under investigation. Class 4 has been renamed as calcium handling modulators. Class 4A are the surface membrane calcium channel blockers. Of these, non-selective ones are Bepredil, L-type calcium channel blockers are Verapamil and Diltiazem, and we are yet to have an approved T-type calcium channel blocker. Class 4B are the intracellular calcium channel blockers. The ryanodine blockers are flecainide and propafenone. You may note that this overlaps with Class 1C. There are no clinically approved drugs in IP3R calcium channel blocker group. Class 4C, sarcoplasmic reticular calcium ATPase activator. No approved drugs in this group as well as in Class 4D and Class 4E. Class 5 are the mechanosensitive calcium channel blockers. There is an investigational drug in this group. Class 6 are the gap junction channel blockers, the connexin blockers. One investigational drug is carbenoxolone. Class 7 is interesting because they are not actually antiarrhythmic drugs. They are upstream target modulators like ACE inhibitors, ARBs, omega-3 fatty acids, and statins. So this group of classification, you can see There are several classes in which there is no drug in clinical use at the moment. Maybe it's a futuristic classification. It is possible to cut down the number of groups by avoiding the groups without any drug at the moment so that the classification may be simplified further. Thank you.